This video shows the building of a minimal router cabinet for the workshop. The router cabinet will be mounted on a frame with casters and will form 1/4 of the full table saw cabinet. What you will see next is a poor example of how to use a circular saw guide to cut sheet goods. What I should have done is place the OSB on top of a sacrificial sheet of foam insulation or particle board. Instead, I precariously balanced the OSB sheet on sawhorses or scraps of dimensional lumber. The big movement at the end of each cut is a great opportunity to mess up the cut or injure myself. I'm using a speed square here to cut the 2x2 framing because I don't have a miter saw or crosscut sled. Here are a few shots of the assembly process. The frame is screwed together with construction screws, and then the OSB sides are screwed to the frame. The plywood surface is cut out and then screwed down to the top of the cabinet. Yeah, so the first thing I have to do is drill down with the Forstner bit, and that opens up the spot so that only the blades are touching the wood. And then I go underneath and I turn this little knob, and the knob pushes the router up through the hole. And that's the depth adjustment.